I don't think it's worth a 2-hour wait.
No, I think max I would wait for that is 20 minutes. Hey, welcome everybody. I'm Deidre.
I'm Adarius.
We are back at Epic Universe since team member previews. It's been 6 months since we've been here.
Whole 6 months.
We booked this ticket almost 2 months ago in hopes of coming and riding Monsters Unchained. And we get here and it's closed.
Feels like sorry.
Dun, dun, dun.
Maybe tomorrow.
That's okay because we have never ridden Battle at the Ministry. During team member previews, it was closed. So that could be our goal instead of Monsters Unchained. And the park doesn't close until 10. So we have got a good 8 hours to get in here, have some fun, see what we can do.
Yeah.
Let's go have some fun. Every time we come here, we see something new. I think this is our 8th, 9th, 10th time being here. But look, on either side of the Epic, there's like Stardust Racers references. That's so cool. I love it. I wonder if they would let us bring binoculars because there's so many little details here and I just want to take a pair of binoculars and look at everything. I wonder if that's against like what you can bring in. There's so many details in this land. I love everything about it. I feel like this is the best land and it's slept on for sure. Also, the mac and cheese, barbecue, brisket, cone, bread thingies, we waited an hour for them over there and now they're available here and we even got one in Hollywood. So I feel this land is probably the best during the day.
So we were going to get on Fire Drill, but it's a 55-minute wait, and so we're going to keep it moving for now.
Yeah.
See what else we can find instead.
Yeah, I swear it was half an hour, just like 2 minutes ago. It was only 30 minutes.
Hiccup's Wing Glider, 65. All right, so we chose Dragon Racer Rally. It's a 45-minute wait, and so far it seems like it's going to be the lowest wait time here in this land. So.
And we've never ridden this ride before, and the bleeding of goats really drew me in also. The lowest wait time in the whole park is Mario's, like the Bowser Challenge, the Mario ride on Rainbow Road, that ride. That's crazy because that was the one that everybody flocked to when this place first opened. And now that's like the ride. Like, okay, I guess. That was so fun. That was our first time riding that. And honestly, I started to spin a little bit and then I got scared, so I stopped. But then I looked down by my feet and this guy is upside down. All I see are the bottoms of his shoes and he's like, ah!
Yeah. Yeah.
You did it though. You went upside down.
If you know the flow of it, like if you can get the feel and flow of it, you got it.
I didn't even like the side to side. I was just happy with the swooping. It scared me. So I'm so happy you got to go upside down. I feel like you have to have a lot of upper body strength because those wings are heavy.
Yeah. It was fun though. I just checked the wait time for Hiccup's Wing Glider. 70 minutes. And then also Fire Drill is also at 70 minutes.
So Stardust Racers at 35?
Let's do it.
All right.
How nervous are you?
I would say I'm a 4 or a 5. It's not as scary to me as Velocicoaster, some parts, and then other parts I'm like, whoa. So,
Okay.
I'm just happy to be here.
Same. So, how'd you do?
I screamed so much, I may lose my voice. The yellow side is definitely more intense than the green side in the best way possible. My heart is beating so fast. Like my heart is crazy right now. The green side is fun, the yellow side is thrilling. And lesson learned from the last time I rode this ride, put your big earrings in the locker because your earlobes will hurt.
I thought that ride was fun. I think I like yellow side more.
Yeah.
If you leave it up to me, I'll probably always choose the yellow side.
Me too.
But both sides are pretty fun though, so. We are on our way to Pizza Moon.
We're gonna see what gluten-free options they had. They don't list them on the app. Man, I loved Hollywood for that. They had a whole separate section for every single allergy, but Universal Orlando doesn't, so we're gonna go talk to the people and see if they have a gluten-free pizza.
We got our pizza. We ready for some pizza?
You know, I'm really glad that gluten-free pizza is pretty good.
Yes. Yes. It looked good. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. That pizza was pretty good.
Yeah.
Now it's time for the battle at the battle at the ministry.
Battle at the Ministry has been holding steady at 2 hours or more since we got here. So, we'll see you in 2 hours. Maybe some shenanigans along the way while we're in line.
When you shenan once,
You'll shenanigan. There's Christmas! Happy Christmas, Harry! Look at all the Christmas! Yay!
this looks and feel like a 2-hour line.
It said 155 now. I really hope it's worth it.
We'll see.
All right, it's taken us 45 minutes to get inside the ministry. This ride better be worth it. Right, the app said 120, the sign said 155. We waited 95. After waiting 95 minutes, it was like I was in the single rider line because I didn't even get to sit next to you, and I was overstimulated for an hour and a half, and then I couldn't even sit next to you on the ride because one of the seat was broken, I guess, and so they split us up.
Overall, the ride itself, I definitely think if you never rode it, give it a try.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's worth a 2-hour wait.
No, I think max I would wait for that is 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe
okay.
30 if like I needed
I'll
that
say-
AC break.
I was gonna say I can probably wait 30. I can wait 30.
I would maybe 30.
But-
The screens were impressive. There's a huge like a clock.
Mm-hmm.
What is that called? Like the medallion on the clock.
I was gonna say pendulum, but it's not a pendulum.
Is it a pendulum?
I thought a pendulum was like something that goes swing back and forth.
Anyway, that part of the clock. There's a huge one.
Right.
It was pretty impressive as far as like how big the area was in the animatronics.
Yeah, so the animatronics were huge, but we're not gonna spoil the other animatronic.
No.
No. Want you to experience it for yourself.
Yeah, you just need to know it's about time. It's about Professor Umbridge.
Yes.
And Harry, Ron, and Hermione are back at it again.
And they're fighting their way to justice.
What's for breakfast?
Justice. No, but the ride was straight, but definitely not worth a 2-hour wait.
Oh,
so.
no. I'm loving all the Christmas decor.
Yes.
There's not really a Halloween celebration here at Epic Universe, so all the Christmas decor is slowly going up here in Paris.
Mm-hmm.
Chef's kiss.
Yes.
Cafe de la Siren. I don't know how to say the word. But they have creme brulee and it's gluten-free, so yes. You ready? You ready for the crack? I don't think this crack is good, but no, it's not a good crack. But it's still gonna be so delicious.
That spot was fun. But it's time for Darkmoor.
Alright, we've done a few spells. And we're ready for Darkmoor. We purposefully waited till dark.
Yes.
Because this land is so much better in the dark.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go explore a little bit and have some fun.
I can't wait.
We got the claw marks. We're in a dangerous territory here.
We might have to listen for the bell.
That's right. I forgot the bell rings when there's monsters out and about.
So since why the ride has been down, they put little mini games out here that you can do to entertain yourself in place of the manor being shut down for the day. I'm assuming too many monsters got loose, and so they're trying to get everything back in order. Who knows? The blade's not on.
Oh, what the heck?
It's supposed to be the Burning Blade Tavern.
It's not even turning.
Now it's just a tavern with no burning blade.
No burning blade, no turning, not even a turn. It's just me, or has it gotten a lot brighter in here?
It did.
All right.
We gotta make sure no monsters are lurking.
Keep the monsters in check with the light illumination.
I love this tavern. It's so well themed. And even look at the nozzles. The Reaper Reserve. That's let's try to get a closer look of it. It's pretty creepy.
Oh, that's a brown ale spiced with cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove. Darkthorn mead with a pink peppercorn infusion. It's so good, and I like that you can taste the pink peppercorn, but it doesn't give you the spice. It's just a really good pepper flavor.
What's a hound? I'm glad you asked. You see all those heads on the wall? You're welcome. That's my doing. Darkmoor's premier monster hunter. You're all safe, unless you're a monster. In that case, I'm going to have to burn you alive. Okay? How are we doing here? You're not collecting my soul with that thing or something, are you?
No.
You got a weapon? Look at that?
Yeah, look at
So tonight is the night of 1,000 werewolves. You're going to take that garlic and rub it all over your face and armpits.
armpits.
Starting with, you want me to do it? I can do it. So again, my name is Brick Branson, the Hound. You know where we are? We're at the Burning Blade Tavern, right? There's a 200-year-old windmill, okay? So 200 years ago, the angry mob chased the original Frankenstein, the OG. It's alive, that guy, right? The angry mob chased him up this windmill with torches, burned the place to the ground, burned him alive, boom, gone, ashes. The next day, out of the ashes, this windmill rose out of the ground and regenerated like a flower. Weird. Nobody knows how, nobody knows why. Nobody knows if it's magic, nobody knows if it's haunted. But to this day, it's the only building in town monsters cannot step foot. Right? So you're safe in here. Big, strong guys like me will keep you safe. There we go.
I got a question.
What's that?
I got a question. How do we join?
How do you become a hound?
Yes.
Well, I'm glad you asked. So I'm looking for a crew tonight, all right?
Okay.
Tonight's the night of 1,000 werewolves. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to spin this wheel clockwise, all right? If we can get this blade to spin, you're in the crew, all right?
All right.
2, 3. No, stop.
Okay.
Clockwise. Clockwise is this way. All right,
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay.
All right.
I don't think you're my crew. All
Right,
right.
well.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna need to drink a lot more.
Okay.
All right. We're gonna have to lube ourselves up before we do this.
All right.
But I believe in you. What's your name?
Adarius.
Adarius. My name is Brick. Brick like a brick. Branson like I don't know.
Gotcha. I would like to get on Curse of the Werewolf, but not for 90 minutes though.
No way, that ride's too short for 90 minutes.
Right?
This is so cool to see. When we were here, this was not finished yet. Wow. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Calamari, smashed cucumbers.
Well,
No,
smashed
is it dim
cucumbers
sum?
you can have.
Oh, it doesn't say gluten. What?
Wait,
Oh, I can't have anything here because they all use soy sauce and everything.
wait. Are you allergic to soy?
No, but a lot of soy sauce has like gluten in it. I don't think I have an issue with it though. I should be able to eat
Yeah,
everything.
I was gonna say because
Unless it
usually
has,
the
like, a
stuff even
wrapper.
we have at home has soy in it.
Right.
Huh.
Ooh, I can have this. Dragon fried rice. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good.
And to go ahead and give y'all a little shortcut. Here's the QR code.
Water is very calming. Did you know that water has memory?
It passes through each and every one of us.
All right. We've been here quite a few times. Our best advice is to stay on property at Universal Orlando Resort. Use your
Yes.
early entry to go ahead and get into that Super Mario World. Ride Donkey Kong. Do all the games, the interactive games. Buy a power-up band. Do all the interactive games before the big crowds get in there. Maybe ride Yoshi. Go ahead and do Bowser's Challenge, the racing ride. And then work your way around the park. Buy Express.
Yeah.
Definitely buy Express.
If you don't buy Express, give yourself a couple of days here.
Right.
Especially if you're going to be waiting for the Battle at the Ministry. that and Minecart Madness been over 100 minutes.
But
wait
now it's half an hour till park close, and the wait is now 35 minutes
for Battle at the Ministry.
for Battle at the Ministry.
But for Minecart Madness, it's at 3 minutes?
105 minutes.
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
This is a park where you look and see in between everything else. Like you can just stop off to the side, and just look around you, and it's just,
Yeah.
you know, a lot of people don't marvel anymore, but there's a lot of stuff here to just look at and be like, whoa.
And in the dark, it's even better.
This is a nighttime park for sure.
Definitely a nighttime park.
Wow.
Dark Universe, mwah, chef kiss in the dark.
Every land's really cool in the dark. I would say the least favorite land in the dark is Isle of Burke. You have the cool lights that look like fire, but best one's Darkmoor, followed by Super Nintendo World is really cool in the dark, and then Paris, and then Isle of Burke. But the middle strip here, amazing. It always looks like Christmas here. Everything's just lit up.
So much.
Yeah. We've had a great day. It's good to be back. They finally let team members back in. A couple tickets a month. Slowly but surely getting there. And, thanks to our top supporters. We'll see you real soon. Bye.